Hey again, welcome to Hands On High Tech. Today, I want to show you a little trick. We have a kitchen nook and we're going to try a 48-inch round table. And I was going to cut a cardboard cutout for my wife so she can take a look at what it looks like in the space. So you may ask, how in the world do you cut a 48-inch diameter round piece of cardboard? All right, well, let me show you. First, I found a piece of scrap wood. I have a scrap wood pile. Need to clean my shop up a little bit, obviously. But anyway, scrap wood pile. What I did is I marked two locations. Evidently, round tables come in two sizes. This is a radius of 21 inches, that's 42. This is a radius of 24 inches, which is 48, okay? So this becomes my pivot point. I drop that in the hole I drilled, okay? Now, I need a compass. So what I did is I took a carpenter's pen, put a piece of double-sided sticky tape on it, stuck it to the end of this, like so. All right, just like that. And now I have a makeshift compass, and I already cut it out. You can see that it worked really good. So I'm going to show you real quick how I scribe this on this piece of cardboard, okay? All right, first thing I do is find kind of the center, which you can either do by eye. I'm gonna do a 41-inch round because I know that a 41-inch is gonna roughly fit on this piece. And put a hole in the center. I let that fall down, hold it in place, and then I draw. And you can see, I've already used this once, so the sticky tape is kind of wore down a little bit, but if I got a new piece, it probably looks better. But anyway, I just kind of scribe the line like that, right there. And it's kind of rough on this piece of cardboard, why I use the other one. You got to have cardboard dough laying around. This was from a piece of furniture since we're remodeling our house anyway. And there you go. That's extremely noticeable. I think you can see it from the camera. But I got a circle on there now, as you can see. So I'm gonna get you a close-up real quick. Get a close-up real quick. You can see the line that has been scribed all the way around, okay? Now you just take a razor blade, cut that out, and that happens to be a 42-inch circle because I used a smaller circle. And that's it. That quick, that easy. Like and subscribe below if you like my tips and hints. That's a cool little trick you can do. Any size circle. You just take a piece of scrap and put a pencil on the end.